We had the prom last night. That was good fun. We got drinks, we got food. There was like an array of prizes for doing weird stuff. People just getting $100 left, right, and centre. And then there was a raffle. And then we had like free arcade. Yeah. I'll be brutally honest. When they said the entry fee was $30, I was a bit like, I don't know if this is going to be any good. Yeah, I had fun. It was nice. Fed, drank. Got to play all the machines. And I think as well, the girl that gave out the card, she said you can like carry on using it. So although we can't play the prize games and you don't get the tickets, like if you just want to play something, then we can just go there and do that, because it's kind of cool. I like that. I'm not sure everyone's going to make it to work today. Like, it's a good thing it's a quiet period. But I think there's definitely going to be... Well, hopefully these people have days off, aren't they? We'll see what happens. I mean, I'm curled up in the ball in the corner of the gondola. No, it's fine. We have to do it for the pupils. For the guests. I don't know if any of this is even going to be usable. I'll tell you one thing. I'm still on time. Somehow. I mean, I'm technically 10 minutes later than I usually would be, but that's because that doesn't matter. But yeah. I might go training for half an hour, maybe just do one lap. Because I felt really bad yesterday because James was doing training and then nobody turned up. So I could do one lap of plaza or something, I don't know. Anyway, I'm done. Just gonna go to sleep here now. Goodbye.